Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Allways Rewards Visa credit card, a travel-focused credit card designed specifically for people who fly with Allegiant Air. Now, if you've been considering getting a travel credit card but you're not sure if this one is worth it, stick around because in this video I'll walk you through everything you need to know about this card. The main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and a balanced conclusion to help you decide if this is the right card for you. The Allways Rewards Visa credit card is a co-branded airline credit card issued by Bank of America in partnership with Allegiant Air. This means that it's not a general purpose travel card. It's specifically built around the Allegiant ecosystem, and that's a very important point. Unlike flexible travel cards that let you book flights across multiple airlines, this card is designed to reward you mainly when you spend within Allegiant's network. Things like flights, vacation, packages, hotels, and car rentals booked through Allegiant. So right away, this card is targeting a very specific audience. People who already fly Allegiant frequently or people who plan to use Allegiant for their vacations consistently. This is not a complex premium travel card with luxury perks. It's more of a straightforward airline-specific rewards card that helps you save money on Allegiant's travel. But as you'll see later in the video, that simplicity can be both a strength and a weakness depending on how you travel. Now let us talk about the main features of the card. First is the welcome bonus. You earn 30,000 bonus points after meeting the minimum spend requirement in the first 90 days. The 30,000 bonus points is equal to $300 off a future Allegiant trip. And of course, the required amount to spend in the first 90 days is $1,500 or more in purchases. Next is the strong airline rewards. Yeah, this is where the card really shines. You earn 3 times points per $1 spent on Allegiant's purchases, including air, hotel, car rental, and attractions. You earn 2 points on $1 spent on qualifying dining purchases and 1 point per $1 spent on all other purchases. If you're regularly booking flights or vacation packages, those points can add up quickly. Next is the priority boarding and travel perks. When flying Allegiant, you get priority check-in, priority boarding, and even 1 free drink on every flight. Not so huge perks, but definitely nice quality of life upgrades. You also get a companion airfare for free when you book eligible vacation packages with the card. That can be extremely valuable if you travel with a partner or a family. Next is the easy redemption system. It's very easy to redeem. No blackout dates, no destination restrictions, and no minimum points redemption. This makes the rewards very simple to use compared to more complicated travel programs. And with security and digital features, you also get fraud protection with $0 liability, mobile wallet compatibility with Apple Pay, Google Pay, and lots more, and account alerts and online banking tools. Now let us talk about the pricing, which is the elephant in the room. The annual fee is $59. In terms of APR, currently there's a standard APR of 19.49 to 27.49% variable. There's no introductory APR offer, and there's a balance transfer fee of 5% on each transaction. Now, what are the pros and cons of using this card? First, the pros. Strong rewards for Allegiant purchases. The redemption system is simple. There's priority boarding and in-flight perks. You also get a buy one get one free flight opportunity, and the points don't expire. Now, what about the cons? It is limited to Allegiant's network. You should know that. The annual fee with relatively basic perks, and there's limited flexibility compared to general travel cards. Also, Allegiant has fewer routes and flight frequency than the major airlines. So having considered all this, is the Allways Rewards Visa credit card actually worth it? Well, the honest answer is this. If you're someone who regularly flies with Allegiant, this card can absolutely make sense. But if you're not loyal to Allegiant, this card becomes much less attractive. So overall, it's a niche card. It's not trying to be the best credit card for everyone. It's just trying to be the best card for a very specific type of traveler. And if you fall into that category, it can be a solid choice for you. And that's it on the Allways Rewards Visa credit card review. If you're looking to try other alternatives other than this card, you may explore Chase Sapphire Preferred Card, Capital One Venture Rewards Credit Card, and the Citi Double Cash Card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.